Hi, this is Alan at Drone Pilot Ground School, and in this short screencast, I'm going to walk through what the inside of our Part 107 test prep and training course looks like. You can see that it's broken into modules and then lessons within each module. We've got some housekeeping lessons to kick things off. I wanted to draw your attention to the different ways to contact us. We've got a dedicated email and phone number, but we also have this really cool ask a question by voicemail button if you want to leave us a quick audio message at any point as you're going through the course. The meat and potatoes of the course are lessons 2 through 7. And then we're getting into your practice tests, how to book your exam, what to bring with you the day of the exam, how to apply for your license after you pass the exam. So it's not just test prep, right? We're trying to support you every step along the way to make sure that you get that remote pilot certificate. And beyond that, we've got some bonus lessons, things you're not going to find in other Part 107 test prep courses, like how to conduct airspace research, pricing your drone services, things that many of our students find to be helpful. The course does track your progress along the way as you complete each lesson. It tracks your progress, and you can click the button on this page to open up this specific lesson 2.5 on operating limitations. But I just wanted to point out that, it's not just PowerPoint presentations. We've got dynamic bullet points here and motion graphics, and we try to keep this as least of a dry process as possible. We try to make it fun and crack jokes where we can. You've got the video at the top, lesson notes, you've got a quiz at the bottom of each lesson, and then answer explanations to each of these quiz questions. Now, you're not going to find answer explanations like ours in other courses. Each one of these is custom written, and we really try to teach you the why behind each question, not just what the right answer is. So that is a quick overview of the course. I really hope that you'll consider enrolling with us. Thank you so much.